Hello everyone, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. So here we are with our new bearings for our Vortech Supercharger for the 350Z. It is a non-rev up. We're pretty much ready to go. Two there, two there, one there, random one there. Need that one. Shaft is good. Fins are fine. These two, these have to be pressed off. Those are new ones. Yeah, bro. Thrust washers. That's it. As soon as I get the last seal here, we try and these bad boys. I mean, worst case scenario, I'll reuse them. I'll make sure they don't leak. That's it. Put it together. Back in the car. I'll film all of it and see how it runs. Thank you for your time.